Good day guys, being here. Today we're going to finish this rolling bridge. So yesterday we modeled this part. So today we're going to place them into another adaptive family and create a bridge. Okay, so let's do it. So first create a adaptive family. So go back to this, load this into here. So you can just draw a place 2 point. So you will decide the width of this this part, and also you can just, so for example you can just use some line to help you to get the width, or you can just select the point and then adjust the point, the distance between them. Okay, so now we have this one, and then we can place another one onto this one. So let's create another one, draw on face, and let's place it so from here to here. It looks like the angle is not quite right, but we can fix it. So let's try -90. Yeah, all good. So maybe let's try -80. Yep, still good. How about -100? Okay, so it looks like something's not right with this solid. This form is not right. Maybe we need to fix this. So otherwise, because we are going to place this another one onto this solid, so if it switch sides, it won't work. Okay, so let's do it. So let's go edit family. So let's have a look at this. So maybe we need to redo this solid, because I think let's just delete, see if we can delete it. Yep, delete it. Because I think probably because this reference line is between those two adaptive points. So maybe we need to create another reference line using those those rotating points. So you know what I mean. So if you have done this yesterday, you should know that there are actually 3 points overlapping there. So we just need to find the point. So try to tab select the points with the rotation angle. So this one. Okay, so let's try to find the other one. So maybe this one. Control select them. Yes, so these two are the points. Both have rotation angle parameter, so linked. So now we have these 2 points selected. We can create a spline and make a reference line. So now we have another reference line, and then control select 1, 2, so 3 and 4. We need another one here. Okay, so then create a form solid and change that to 50 again, and then let's join them again. Okay, so now I think this should fix that issue. So let's load this into here. Okay, it's gone, but we can place another one. So create component, place on face from this point to this point. So once again, let's try -90. All good. -100. So this time it stay as it is. Okay, so good. Maybe change this back to -90. I'll just, now we need to fix this angle. So instead of -90, so I like it to be 0 degree. Okay, so go edit family and go family types. So let's just create a new, or actually we can just rename. Maybe I'll just rename this one first. I'll call this A2. Okay, and then I'll just create a new one. So A angle instance. Okay, so I'm going to use, because these two rotation angle will be A2 now. So, and then we just need to so negative 90. So A minus 90. So apply. Okay. So load this back and override. So now, so this will be the first one. So I'm going to just change this to 90 degree, and then this one will be fixed. Okay, fixed on the ground, and then the rest we can change them to 0 degree. Okay, so it will be flat at 0 degree. 0 degree. So now let's create the rest. So I'm going to place on face, and from here to here. So 3, we need 8. So 4, 5, 6, 7, oops, wrong one, and 1, 7, here to here, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Now we can just select all these. So except the first one. So let's try 10 degree. Whoops. Wrong direction. Let's try negative 45. Okay, negative 20 and 0. Okay, so we still need to change the angle, but let's select all of them, try this parameter. So this will be the height of the handrail, so yeah, all good. This is the length of them, all good. So we just need to fix the angle again, so go edit family, edit type, and we just need to, instead of have this, we just need to have a negative A. So maybe we can do this. Let's create another angle parameter. Let's call it A3 angle instance. Okay, and I'm going to use A3 in this one. Okay, so A3, and then I'll just link this A3 equals negative A. So let's try this. So click OK, load this into the family. So okay, so we just need to flip the first one. So instead of 90, type negative 90. Okay, so now let's try these. Select all the seven of these and change this angle. So 10 degree. So okay, so now when it's a positive number, it goes up. Yeah, I think this is better. So now if I 45. Okay, so and then we can create some parameters for, so you can, so for example, for the overall for the height of the brush straight and the length, we can select all of them and create this. So for example, I'll call it H instance or parameter, sorry, instance or type. It's up to you. So maybe let's just use type. And L, so that's that would be the length of an individual one, and then create, let's call it L type. And angle, so this one we don't want to change the angle, so the rest we can then create an angular parameter. So this can be instance. So I think that's it. And because this is an adaptive family, if you want to, you can even place 2 points and make them adaptive. And you can select the first one, select this point, pick a new host, and you can pick, hang on, so you can, oops, sorry. Yeah, because when you try to pick this one, it will change the width of all the rest, or 8 of this family. So maybe we can just move. Hang on, let's go to floor plan. It's probably easier. Move this point to this point first. Okay, and then maybe this one I'll just drag this to align to this point, and then select this one. So now we can select the point of this family, and let's try pick new host, or see if we can use this one, pick, and pick a plan. Okay, pick this plan, and then let's try if it works. Yep, good. So Control Z and select this point, so we can do the same. Go here, pick a plan. Okay, pick this. So then we just need to drag this to match that point, or you can. So if you move this one, you will see it will also move this as well, right? So you just need to move this one back to match the. Oops, looks like it's better just use move, so we can pick that point. Hell, it's a little bit hard to pick. So see, yeah, that's it. Click. Okay, so now these 8 components will match the point 1 and 2. Okay, so now let's have a test. So this is a adaptive family, of course. So maybe we can create a project, and then so we can load this into the project. And so if I place one point and another point somewhere, and then it will create this. Okay, so that's it. And then we can change the angle, so 30 degree, 15 degree, 45 degree. How about negative 30 degree? Cool. And also edit type, you can change the hang on, let me just change that to 45 degree. So edit type, the height 1 meter. Yeah, maybe 2400. Yes, so that's it. So if you have any question, please let me know. I'll upload this family for you. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.